Now we're going to make this adorable flower girl or princess or fairy wand. So let's get started. I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire. I've cut it and folded it in half, and I'm going to lay it down into my Bowdabra. Then what I'm going to do is take my silver mesh, and I'm just going to scrunch this down into my Bowdabra. And then I'm going to take another piece. And the reason that I've cut this in two pieces instead of just one is because it seems to scrunch better in two pieces. So now we'll take our blue mesh, and this is just a great sparkle mesh that I'm using. And we do have it in our Bowdabra store. Also, if you guys wouldn't mind commenting and letting me know the types of things that you'd like me to create during these videos and also during my Facebook Lives. And if you're not aware, we do Facebook Lives every Monday. And so now I have these great pearl lights, and I'm just going to separate them and put them in like this. And as you can see, they light up, which I just love, which makes this a really special fairy wand. Anyway, as I was saying, I do the Facebook Lives every Monday at 4 p.m. They're a half-an-hour show, so it's 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Mountain, 6 p.m. Central, and 7 p.m. Eastern. So we do all kinds of really fun projects during the half-hour live. We also do giveaways during the live. So that's a really good reason to join me. So now I'm just going to be scrunching down here and get everything scrunched into my wand. And I'm going to into my Bowdabra, my wand, and scrunch it all down. Then I'm going to take my wire, pull it through the slip knot, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take it out and just pull it really, really tight so this becomes a cute little ball. And now I'm going to tie it off and tie a knot. And I can just clip my wire. And you can see this forming. So now what we're going to do is I'm just going to let's get this off here, pull this in different directions to kind of make this circle here. That's what's cool about our scrunchy bows. And let's pull that all there, and then just kind of bring my lights into my wand. And let's take these and bring these around this way, just kind of separate them. And then I'm going to take a piece of our Bowdabra Rhinestone mesh, and I'm going to just fold it in half. And then I've cheated and already put a zot here, so I can just glue it together there. And I'm going to just glue it on here. And then you have this adorable, adorable fairy wand. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe below and comment to let me know what type of videos you'd like me to make in the future or on my Bowdabra Lives. See you soon.